Let's just talk about a simple activity on how to format a Word document. So here just a few of the formatting techniques or ways that you can format your Word document. So we start with the format text font, then you try to change the case, then you make it text is superscript or subscript, then you try to align text and then space line. So let's take an example for a Word document. So this is a Word document. Now we've seen that you start with the how to format font. Now there's a tool here on how to format font. Simply you can edit the formatting, the font size, style, and everything else. So for example, maybe you want to change the style of this this title here. Simply you come here, then you click the fonts um, theme that you want it to be used. So here there are plenty of options. You can just use any of them. So here is just a few of the uh, various themes or which you can use to format your text. You can select one of them. And the other one is that if you want to maybe increase the size of the text which you are writing, you can just highlight the text. Then there's an option here whereby you can increase the size or decrease the size of the text. So you can select any of them here, and it should be clearly organized as maybe the title should have the same size compared maybe to the Word document. And there are various options as the various shortcuts offered here. For example, maybe you want to pick a new font for your text. Yes, you can click Control plus Shift plus F. Then you can pick any of the font size or of the font which you want. Then also here numbering, you can simply change the size of your text by that shortcut Shift plus C, Control plus P. If you use that also, you can be able to change the font size. Also, you can use maybe Control plus the curly brackets that it can be used to increase or decrease the size. The other option on how to format a font, maybe you want to change font color, simply highlight, then you can just change the font color. Here there are plenty of options, you can just try any of them. Then you can bold, uh, italize or underline. You can simply highlight first the text, then you bold it or underline or you italize. Now there are various shortcuts. If you want to bold, just use Control plus B. If you want to italize, Control plus I. If you want to underline, Control plus U. The other font option which you can access to is, I said that changing case. So for example, this one in the title, you can just click their change case. Now, this simply changes the selected text to the uppercase, lowercase, or other common applications. So if you select here, if you want the whole text to be in uppercase, just you can select it and the text will be in uppercase, or other if you want lowercase, you can just select it also. And if you want maybe toggle case, you can just select it. So it's like that, how you can select the various of these are the option of seeing the text, maybe uppercase, lowercase, or as many as you can see here, or capitalize each word. Then in the other one, we said the paragraph formatting, whereby you can align the text. Now aligning, can align maybe this is your paragraph. You want it to be aligned maybe at the center. You can simply there click it at that paragraph formatting, whereby it shows center, where center your text content on the page. You click it, then the content will be centralized, or you can use a shortcut that is Control plus E. You centralize the text, and Control also plus E will just keep it in the normal place, maybe left or right. If you want to align it left, Control plus L will align the text left, and if you want to align it right, Control plus R, you will align the text to the right side. As you can see here, align your text with the right margin. The other option which you can use is the line spacing, whereby you can space, choose on how to space appears between the lines of text or between the paragraph. So for example, maybe these two paragraphs, you have to highlight first, then you select on how you want to space the line. Maybe there's various scale here you can use. So that's about the paragraph formatting. So I hope it's clear, and I think we've already gone through uh, all of our activities. What is left is to make a text superscript or subscripting. We have seen on how to align the text, to space line, to change case, and the format text font. So let's see on how to make text superscript or subscripting. So for example, maybe this word here, you want to make it as a superscript. Superscript, there's an option here that shows superscript, or you can simply click Control plus Shift plus C plus. So this type very small letters just above the text line. So if you click it, it will be applied, or you can simply just highlight it, then you use the shortcut that is what is said here, that is Control plus Shift plus C plus sign. That's how you can make text to be in superscript. While in subscript, highlight the text which you want to put it, then there's an option here that is subscript. Type very small letters just below the line of the text, or you can simply use Control plus equal sign. So that's how you can simply apply the subscript in the superscript. So I hope it's clear, guys. We've talked about these 5 of the formatting tools that can be done in a Word document. So that's all. Thank you.